Welcome back. The time right now is 5:49 on your Wednesday, and the snow has started to move out. So our focus is going to turn to the blowing of the snow and snowdrifts, which are going to be between 2 and 4 feet. So you're going to be on the roads, and you think they're going to be clear, but snow is going to actually blow back on them. So take caution as you drive out today. Overnight tonight, dangerous cold. You want to bundle up. You really don't even want to be out. You don't want to take the chance of being stranded because wind chills will be between -15 and -20 degrees. And for your Thursday, calm weather comes back into our picture. And hey, look at that. The sun is going to make its way back out across mid-Missouri. And that's your weather headlines. Jake has your morning sports.
Snow measurement. How much were we going to get?
Yeah, so let's do a little bit of that right now. KOMU8's Dan Ebner is live outside this morning. He's been inside most of the last 24 hours. Now he's outside doing a little bit of weather for us. Good morning, Dan.
Hey guys, I'm out here in Boone County. I wanted to bring you a little bit of a different perspective on the snow. I'm out here in a snowdrift. I've busted out the trusty meter stick and we're gonna stick it in here. I don't know if she can get this, but 31 inches. So although we got about 17.5 inches here in Boone County, these snowdrifts, it's 32 inches. So that's something you guys want to be careful about, because once they plow the roads, it's going to start blowing. You can see, I don't know if you can get the flag up here, but it's really blowing out here, and that's going to blow some of the snow back onto the streets, back onto Highway 63, and even onto your neighborhood streets. So take it easy as you are out today, and I think we'll throw it back inside to the warm studio.
It's pretty warm in here, Dan. We want to also check back in with you, though, because we heard you were out there kind of working on Dave Schmidt's car.
Yeah, have you dug out Dave Schmidt's, Doppler Dave's car yet? Dan, did you dig out Dave's car yet? And we know you guys were doing that. Okay.
Awesome.
I guess he's back to work already on Dave's car. We have to get to him.
It takes forever, yeah. Leading up to Tuesday, the big talk was snow measurement.
So let's do some of it. Let's measure. KOMU8's Dan Ebner and Abby Dyer, they're out there, and they have a little project this morning.
I see Dan. Where's Abby? There she is. Oh, they're so, look at you guys working so hard.
Come back in.
Hey guys, we're back out here in Boone County, and we started plowing out Dave's car. It's taken us about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and we're still not even really done. We still have a little bit of work to do, so we're gonna stay out here, brave the cold. It's super windy. You probably don't even wanna be out here for that long. We've actually taken like a 5-minute break because the wind is just so hard on our face. What do you think?
The wind is hard on our face. That break also had something to do with those delicious burritos that came. We had to take a little bit of a burrito break out here. But actually shoveling the snow is not too bad. It's not all hard and icy yet, but like you said, we had 2 people. It took us almost 20 minutes already and we're not even finished. So if you're planning on going anywhere, plan extra time because it's gonna take you a while to dig out.
Yes, and we wanna say thank you for those burritos. They were delicious and they were very warm and warmed us up. So we're gonna finish up digging out Dave's car. We might even get Michelle's. So for now, reporting live in Boone County, Dan Ebner, KOMU8 News.
I just feel so bad for him.